Hello everyone, Mark here again. Welcome back to day 9 of the 30-day AI challenge. Today we're going to finish off what we started yesterday, and that's completing our build for the web page on our simple counter that we made for chatbotnative.com using bolt.new. Now, if you're just joining us and haven't seen the previous videos, don't worry, go ahead and click on the link up above somewhere here and start the journey because it does build on itself and it'll help you out in the long run. Today, we're going to use Claude AI and craft an engaging, optimized web page, showcasing our counters functionality for the website, and also show that it doesn't have a lot of, it won't sound too AI driven, meaning it won't sound like it's written by AI. And remember, you can follow along with this challenge by downloading my free checklist. It's packed with tips and tools, including the prompts and different things like that. And you can do your own 30-day profit challenge. Link is down below, and let's get started. All right, so as you can see here, we're on Claude, and I'm just going to make this pretty quick. One of the nice things that you can do is you can add styles. We can go over this in another time, or we will be going over this in another time. I'm going to go ahead and use marketing strategist because that's the voice that I actually want. I went ahead and made this prompt, and I'll share it with you, but it's specific to this particular page. I'm doing it in HTML format, but basically create a article talking about this, and let's just go ahead and let it run, see what it comes up with. Nice thing, I like using Claude for any type of writing outline because what it tends to do is it tends to make it so that it is more human if you design your prompt properly. All right, watch customer service evaluation in real time. Every second our chatbot's counter records over 50,000 customer interactions. Not our chatbot. Oh, our chatbot counter, yeah. Okay. It's okay. And then local chatbot using our technology. Okay, well, this is not a real link here, but that's okay. We can adjust that. This is true statements. This does happen with chatbots in general. So let's go ahead and see how this stacks up. It's a little short, it looks like, in word count, but let's go ahead and go over to 0GPT and see how it looks. We're going to have it probably expand on it because, yeah, that's not a lot. I don't like these little pop-ups that they give all the time, but that's okay. All right. Your text is 100% human written. I mean, that's wonderful, man. All right, we got 320 words. I'd like to be about 500 because the main point of this is we want to have it so that it's written for the reader, number one. Number two, for the user. Have it be helpful, number two. And number three, have it for SEO purposes on the counter page. So let's go ahead and make it one step further. Please expand on this. Please expand on this and without adding fluff. That's an important thing, without adding the fluff. So let's go ahead and hit it again. And we're going to have to do some adjusting. Now, this isn't just cut and paste and you're done with everything, okay? We don't want to do that. If we do that, then it's just filling the internet with drivel. That's definitely something we don't want to do. We want to make sure that everything makes sense and is useful and helpful to everybody. Let's see here. We're almost done, it looks like. All right. Let's see. Hopefully I'll be closer to 500. Oh, that's much better. Control C. And let's go back to the AI detector and see that I'm guessing it's going to show a little bit more AI in there, but detect. Once again, 0. And this is now 460 words. So let's go ahead and go over to our web page itself. Again, this is our chatbotnative.com site. We'll go into the back end of it. This is the counter that we added last time. So if I come up here, we can preview. And there it is there. That's looking pretty nice still. So we'll come back, and there's a couple ways we can do this. If we just copy this here, which is what we had done initially, let's come back here and we paste it in here. We have, turns out pretty nice. Look at this. Okay, this is not necessarily a good title for this, because chatbot interaction counter, that's actually going to be our thing. This is going to be like a subtitle. So instead of making that an H1, let's make this like an H2. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. There's dashes in here. I don't like those dashes. All right, let's clean this up. I like breaking this up a little bit, but Larry, every second our chatbot counter records over 50,000 customer interactions happening through AI assistants worldwide. These aren't just numbers. They represent real customers getting answers, making purchases, and building lasting relationships with business. As you can see, the numbers climb. These numbers climb. You're witnessing the fundamental shift in how companies serve their customers. All right. Each tick of the chatbot counter represents a customer getting immediate assistance. And I like that. I'm going to go ahead and bold that, help it stand out a little bit. Let's break this down in practical impact. Immediate response, average email response time, chatbot response, phone wait time, and this is worldwide. And you want to check these numbers, and I'm pretty familiar with a lot of these numbers because it's what I do, another thing that I do. All right, financial impact, customer service reduction, $8 per interaction compared to phone support. Lead generation, 35% more qualified leads. Yeah, I like that. Local business. This one I'm not going to do a whole bunch to. It's actually a pretty well-written article. Service and scalability, handling, yeah, that's true. Let's go ahead. Phase 1, foundation, map your customer successful chatbot interface proven pattern. Here's what works. Map your customer service patterns, identify your top 20 questions and optimal response flows, set up basic inquiry handlings, address, location, pricing, availability. We do all of this for you. I mean, you can do it yourself, of course, but our system will do this for you. Phase 3, analyzing patterns, real results. Retail sector is 85% questions without, yep, okay. Service industries, this is what I really like working with, is service industries, because I really see the uptick with it, but we handle a lot of different industries. All right, chatbot counters show you that businesses at AI departments. Here's the action plan, schedule a business analysis. All right, this, I'll actually change this around a little bit, but overall, you can see this is a pretty good start from just a quick prompt. So what I'll do tomorrow is I'm going to go ahead and show you how I actually build prompts for this. There's lists of words to include and exclude and make sure that you're not using those. That's how I get that really nice 0 GPT score of 0 chatbot. I mean, that was a great score on that. But remember to go ahead and download the checklist, and we can help you out with that. Please like and subscribe. And tomorrow I'm going to show you how we actually build out these prompts so you can get great results like this. Thank you.